Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss about the some famous personalities in the field of environment and agriculture. So let's start. Forest man of India. So who is the forest man of India? Jadav Payeng is known as the forest man of India. The full name of Jadav is the Jadav Molai Payeng. He was born on 31st October 1959. Basically, he is a forestry worker from the Majoli Island in Assam. The Jadov planted a large number of trees around the river bank of the Brahmaputra, and these river bank of Brahmaputra converted in a forest area. And these forest is known as Molai forest. The Molai word is taken from the Jadav name Molai, Jadav Molai Payeng. In 2015, the Jadhav was awarded or honored with the Padma Shri Award, and he was born in a indigenous tribe of Assam. The name of tribe is the Missing tribe. Okay, so he is related to a particular tribe of the Assam, indigenous tribe, that is Missing tribe. Now the waterman of India. So Rajender Singh, known as Waterman of India. The Rajender Singh, born on 6 August 1959. So he is related to the Alwar district of Rajasthan. He won the Magsaysay Award in 2001. He also awarded the Stockholm Water Prize in 2015, and the Rajendra Singh run a NGO, and the name of NGO is the Tarun Bharat San TBS, which was founded in 1975. The Rajendra Singh mainly working in the field of conservation of water, water bodies, rivers, all these things. Okay, so he rejuvenated the five rivers in the Rajasthan, and the name of these five rivers is the Aravari, Ruparel, Sarsa, Bhagani, and Jahajwali. So these five rivers was revived or rejuvenated by the Rajendra Singh. That is known as Waterman of India. So the next one is the Tiger Man of India. So Kela Sankla is known as Tiger Man of India. He was born in 1985 and died in 1997. He was a biologist and conservationist related for the conservation or preserving the tigers. He was the director of Delhi Zoological Park and the chief wildlife warden of the Rajasthan. The Sankla was the first director of Project Tiger, which was set up in 1973. So the Project Tiger, so Sankla, the Kela Sankla was the first director of Tiger Project Tiger, which was initiated in 1973. This is the very important. Okay, remember it. The Kela Sankla was awarded or honored with the Padma Shri in 1992 and by the Rajasthan Ratan in 2013. Now the Elephant Man of India. So Ajay Adru Siapa Desai is known as the Elephant Man of India. He was born in 1957. He is related from the Konur Bhagalkot district of the Karnataka. He basically was a researcher, a biologist who monitoring the behavior of wild elephants. Okay, so basically he is monitoring the behavior of wild elephants and their conflicts with the human settlement. He having the expertise in the behavior of the Asiatic elephant, and he was an advisor to the Worldwide Fund for Nature in India and Wildlife Institute of India. Okay, so the Ajay Adrusyapa Desai is known as the Elephant Man of India. Now the Birdman of India. So Dr. Saleem Ali is known as Birdman of India. The study of birds is known as ornithology or ornithology. So the Dr. Saleem Ali was a ornithologist. He wrote many books, but one of the famous book is the Handbook of Birds of India and Pakistan. So 10 volume of this handbook was published by Dr. Saleem Ali. He awarded or honored with the Padma Bhushan in 1958, with the Padma Vibhushan in 1976. So several species of birds was named after him. Okay, so like Salim Ali fruit bat, Salim Ali's dwarf gecko. So these are the some bird species. The name is given after by the Dr. Salim Ali. So there are many sanctuaries, national park or institutes related that their name is given after the Dr. Salim Ali. So first one is the Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary situated in near to the Mandvi River in Goa, the bird sanctuary. Then after the Salim Ali National Park, that is also known as City Forest National. Okay, it is located in the Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. So the Salim Ali National Park located in the Srinagar, and the Salim Ali Center for Ornithology and Natural History, SACON, is situated in the Anaikatti, Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. So ये तीनों काफी important है. You have to remember all these three: bird sanctuary, national park, and this is the Salim Ali Center. Now the milkman of India. So Vargus Curian, the Vargus Curian known as milkman of India. He was born in 1921. Basically, the Vargus Curian was a dairy engineer and social entrepreneur who initiated the contribution of extensive increase in milk production. So basically, he was related to the White Revolution. He contributed massively for the increased the milk production in India, and the increased milk production in that time that is known as White Revolution or flood, White Flood. So the Varghese Curian awarded Raman Magsaysay Award in 1964, World Food Prize in 1989, the Padma Vibhushan in 1999. So the Curian was the day of birth of Curian, Varghese Curian is 26 November 2000, 1921. So the 26th November is celebrated as a National Milk Day in the India. So on the birth anniversary of the Varghese Curian is celebrated as on 26th November as a National Milk Day in the India. Now the mountain man of India, Dashrath Manjhi. He was born in 1934 and died in 2007. He was basically from the Galore village in Gaya in Bihar. So there was a tragedy with his wife. So he decided to cut a 110-meter long, 9.1-meter wide and 7.7-meter deep path through the ridge of hill using only the hammer and chisel. Okay, so this was a dedication of the Dashrath Manji. So after 22 years of work or his hard work, the Dashrath shortened the distance between the Atri. These are the name of two blocks, Atri and Wazirganj blocks of Gaya. Gaya mein there is two blocks, Atri and Wazirganj blocks in Gaya. So the distance is reduced from 55 kilometer to 15 kilometers. In 2016, the Indian Post issued a postage stamp paper featuring the Manji. That you can see here. This is the stamp that is released or issued by the Indian Post Department. Now the Windman of India. Tulsi Tanti. Tulsi Tanti, known as Windman of India. He was born in 1958. He was mainly known for his work in the field of renewable energy and wind turbines. So mainly in India, the field of renewable energy and the wind turbine installation mainly carried out by the Tulsi Tanti. Okay, so basically the Tulsi Tanti was a businessman and he was a founder come chairman come managing director of Sujlon. Sujlon is mainly a company who is mainly dealing with the renewable energy field, or we can say in the wind turbine installation field. Okay, in India, when you see the most of the wind turbine installed, they are related to the Sujlon company. Okay. So the Tulsi Tanti was a president of the Indian Wind Turbine Manufacturers Association, and he was also a chairman of ZF Wind Power and Werpen, a Belgium-based manufacturer of the wind turbine gearbox. So this was another company of the Belgium company that basically deals with the manufacturing of the gearbox. Solar Man of India, the Chetan Singh Solanki, known as Solar Man India, he is also known as Energy Gandhi. The Chetan Singh Solanki, also known as Energy Gandhi. He is an educator and innovator at IIT Bombay. He was the founder of Energy Swaraj Foundation. Okay, the Chetan Singh Solanki started a Energy Swaraj Yatra, which the main aim or objective was to create the public awareness for adoption of 100% solar energy by 2030. The Solanki also conducted energy literacy training and has five-dimension plan to extend the energy Swaraj movement. So the Chetan Singh Solanki mainly related with the awareness of the solar energy. So he is also known as a solar man of India or Energy Gandhi. So now the plastic man of India. So Raja Gopalan Vasudevan. Raja Gopalan Vasudevan, known as Plastic Man of India, he is related to Tamil Nadu. He basically is a scientist who working on the waste management. He is currently is a professor in the Thea Garjar College of Engineering. Thea Garjar College of Engineering in Madurai, Tamil Nadu. So he is a professor in a engineering college and basically dealing with the waste management of the research work of waste management. So what he did, he basically developed a reusable plastic waste. He used the mainly plastic waste to construct a road that is more durable, cost effective, and having the more durability as compared to the peat or lignite based road. So the Rajgopalan Vasudevan honored with Padam Shri in 2018. Now the Mango Man of India, the Kalim Ullah Khan. Kalim Ullah Khan, known as Mango Man of India. He is basically a horticulturist and fruit breeder. He is very famous. He is grown more than 300 different varieties of mango on a single tree using the grafting technique. So it is one of the big achievement of the Kalim Ullah Khan. More than 300 varieties of mango was grown on a single tree. He was born in the Mahilabad, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, awarded with the Padma Shri in 2008, a Anarkali variety developed by the Ullah Khan. This is a mango variety this variety, anarkali variety of mango having the two skins, matlab two layers, two different layers having, matlab there are two pulp of layers, layer of pulps, each having the different taste. So again, it is a very unique feature of this anarkali variety. Now the father of Green Revolution in India, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, is known as father of Green Revolution in India. He was born in 1925 and died in 2023. The full name of M.S. Swaminathan is the Mankombu Sambasivan Swaminathan. He was an Indian agronomist, agricultural scientist, geneticist, and humanitarian. The Swaminathan is also known as a man architect of the Green Revolution in India. Basically, the Green Revolution is started or pushed by the M.S. Swaminathan. He developed very high yielding variety of the wheat and rice. That is a great contribution of the Swaminathan. The Swaminathan was awarded first time awarded the World Food Prize in 1987, and he was honored with the Bharat Ratan, that is one of the highest civilian award given in the India in 2023. Now the Vandana Shiva. He was born in 1952 in Dehradun. Basically, the Vandana Shiva is a Indian scholar, food sovereignty advocate, environmental activist, ecofeminist, and anti-globalization author. So the Vandana Shiva dealing with a large number of the environmental issues. The Vandana Shiva sometimes also referred or known as Gandhi of Green for her active involvement associated with the anti-GMO movement. Okay, so GMO movement, anti-GMO movement means genetically modified organisms. So whatever genetically modified crops are coming in India, so against them he stood, and there are a mass movement against the GMO crops in the India. So basically she was related with the GMO movement, and that's why she's known as a Gandhi of Green. The creation of Navdhanya in 1991. Okay, this was a movement to protect the diversity and integrity of living resources, especially for the seeds, native seed, to promote the organic farming and their fair trade. So the Navdhanya was a theme that developed in 1991 to protect our diversity, mainly the native seed diversity. And Navdhanya means 9 seeds. Now the Wangari Mutahi. The Wangari Mutahi was born in 1940 and died in 2011. Basically, she was a Kenyan social, environmental, and political activist who who founded the Green Belt movement in the Kenya. And that's why the Wangari Maathai was basically famous due to this Green Belt movement in the Kenya, in Africa. So in 2004, she was become the first African woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize due to her vast role in the Green Belt movement. She was also awarded the Right Livelihood Award in 1984, Nobel Peace Prize in 2004, and Indira Gandhi Peace Prize in 2006. This award is awarded in the India. The Russell Lewis Carson. So Russell Lewis Carson was a American marine biologist or writer. So a very well-known or famous book written by the Russell Carson known as Silent Spring. and it was published in 1962. And this book mainly focused on the detrimental effect of the pesticide, especially for the DDT. Okay, so this book was especially banned the use of DDT in the USA that time. Okay, and this book also a grassroots environmental movement, or we can say this book generate a grassroots awareness in the people, and this was responsible for the creation of US EPA, US Environmental Protection Agency. That present day, at present time, the US EPA is a very famous agency in the field of environmental. He is doing everything regarding the standards, the protection of the environment and all other things. So mainly the creation of US EPA mainly related to the movement that was initiated by the Ral Carson. Sundal Bhuguna. So Sundal Bhuguna was born in 1927 and died in 2021. He was belonged to the Maroda village in Teni in Uttarakhand. The Sundal Bhuguna was an Indian environmentalist and founder of the Chipko movement, or we can see the leader of the Chipko movement. This is very important. So the idea of Chipko movement was given by his wife Vimla Bhuguna to the Sundal Bhuguna. The Sundal Bhuguna mainly associated with the many movement for the protection of the forest in the Himalayan region. Okay, then after in 1970s, he set up the Chipko movement. Then after this movement spread as a anti-Tehri Day movement in 1980s. Okay, and it was continuously going on till 2004. Then the Chipko movement in Uttarakhand also they also opposed the development of the big dams. So in 2009, the Sundal Bhuguna was honored with the Padma Vibhushan. Now the Sumaira Abdul Ali, she born on 22nd May 1961. So she is a environmentalist and related to the Mumbai. She is a founder of the Awaz Foundation, that is a NGO, and also a convener of the movement against intimidation, threat and revenge against activist Mitra. She was also co-chairman of the Conservation Subcommittee and honorary secretary of the Asia's one of the oldest and largest environmental NGO known as Bombay Natural History Society. And the Sumaira Abdul Ali, also known or referred as one of the India's foremost environmental activists. Now the Meda Patkar. She was born on 1st December 1954. So the Meda Patkar is a Indian activist who working on political and social issues for the tribals, for the Dalit, for the farmers, for the laborers, for the women who facing injustice. She is a alumni of Tata Institute of Social Sciences, TIS Mumbai. It is a very well-known or famous institute, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, TIS Mumbai. She is a founder member of the Narmada Bachao Andolan NBA in 3 states, in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat. So basically the Meda Patkar was become famous when she was related with when she was initiated the movement for the Narmada. So Narmada Bachao movement was a landmark for the Meda Patkar. She was also one of the founder of the National Alliance of People's Movement, NAPM, National Alliance of People's Movement. She was also commissioner of World Commission on the Dams. And the Medha Patkar also related many other movements like Ghar Bachao, Mitti Banao Andolan, Tata Nano Plants, Singur, K-Rail Silver Line projects, Nandigram Land Grave Residence, Lavasa project, Kawada nuclear project, Golibar demolition, Save Sugar cooperative missions, and Hiranandi land scheme. So these are some famous movements that was directly or indirectly related to the Medha Patkar. Now the MC Mehta. Again, this is a very well-known or famous person in the field of environment. MC Mehta, the full name is the Mahesh Chandra Mehta. He is a public interest attorney in India. He is also known as a Green Avenger of India. Green Avenger of India, very important. So there are basically the M's. Mahesh Chandra Mehta submitted several PIL public interest litigation to Supreme Court, and he won many cases, including the lead-free gasoline in India, reducing the industrial pollution following the Ganga and eroding the Taj Mahal. These are some well-known cases. Okay. He also filed the public interest litigation in Supreme Court regarding the polluting the Ganga rivers. He awarded by the Goldman Environmental Prize in 1996, Raman Magsaysay Award in 1997, Padma Shri in 2016, and he is also the trustee of People for Animals. So MC Mehta, Mahesh Chandra Mehta is we can say it is a environmental advocate or green avenger of India. Now the Kingri Devi. So Kingri Devi, she was a Dalit lady from the village of Ghaton, Sirmaur in Himachal Pradesh. She was a activist and environmentalist, and mainly she was related with the waging a war on illegal mining and quarrying. So mainly illegal mining and quarrying. He was go for the protest in her native state in the Himachal Pradesh against the illegal mining and quarrying. In 1999, the Kinkri Devi was awarded with the Stri Shakti Puruskar by the government of India. Stri Shakti Puruskar. So friends, आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. अगले वीडियो में फिर मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार.